Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. In Python, you can convert a set with multiple elements into multiple sets, each containing one element, using a loop or a list comprehension. Here's a simple tutorial with code examples. Let's start by creating a set with 5 elements. You can use a loop to iterate over the elements of the original set and create a new set for each element. Alternatively, you can use list comprehension for a more concise code. Here's the complete code combining all the steps. After running the complete code, you will see the original set and 2 lists of sets created using a loop and list comprehension. Feel free to adapt the code to your specific use case or modify it based on your requirements. ChatGPT.